Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Ria and I make content on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. Do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. With that, let's begin today's video. For today's video, I'm going to show you my top 5 lipsticks for the fall winter season. Now, I'm a brown lipstick girly. I love wearing brown shades and most of the lipsticks that I gravitate towards are in the brown category. And now is the perfect time to wear browns even if you're not the biggest fan of it. Since we are currently in November, I know a lot of you would want to try out brown shades. So here are my top 5 recommendations. So the first one that I have is sort of a lighter shade of brown. So it's more of a nude brown and it's sort of a perfect shade for across all seasons. This one is by L'Oreal Paris. It's their Rouge Signature Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 116 Explore, and it's a beautiful nude brown shade with warm undertones. So if you're someone who would not really want to wear a dark brown lipstick, you can definitely start with something like this because it will appear as a brown nude. It has a hint of peach to it, but it's more on the brown side. The formula is matte, yet it's quite comfortable on the lips. It does not really dry out your lips. You can of course wear a lip balm underneath if you have really dry lips. The staying power of this lipstick is also not bad. If you're eating or drinking something, then it might fade out from the middle, but it does stay for around 3 to 4 hours without any need of touch up. This retails for $8.99, but you can get a discount on it on Amazon or Nykaa during the sale season. The next lipstick that I have is from Gush Beauty. It's their Playpins liquid lipstick and it's in the shade Mosaic Peace. It's a beautiful terracotta brown shade. It appears like a really deep terracotta brown on my skin tone and I love how the shade looks on me. It's such a nice warm brown toned shade and I absolutely love the formula. Even though it's a liquid matte lipstick, it does not dry my lips out at all. Just look at how dark and pigmented the shade is, and this will suit a lot of skin tones and it's a lovely shade for the fall winter season. The staying power of this one is also really nice. It stays for about 4 to 5 hours without any meals in between, and this retails for only 550 rupees, and currently they're running an offer where you can grab 2 lipsticks for $9.99. The next lipstick that I have is the MAC matte lipstick in the shade Wall. Now Wall is more of a cool tone brown, but it has a slight hint of warmth in it. It's such a beautiful shade for Indian skin tone. For someone who is darker than me, it's going to be such a great everyday nude shade, I feel, and it's one of the perfect shades to wear during this season. This one definitely is on the pricier side. It retails for $25.50, so 2,550. It's quite steep, but the feel and finish of this lipstick is very luxurious. It's difficult to come across a shade like this. I have not come across a dupe of the MAC Wall as of yet, and in case you're really intrigued to try this product but do not want to spend so much, you can maybe try the mini version which comes for $16.50, and of course always keep a lookout for sales and offers where you can probably get a better deal. And even though this is a matte formula, it's more of a comfortable matte. I won't really say satin matte, but more of a comfortable matte. So the longing power of this one is not that great. You have to keep touching up if you want the lipsticks to stay. If you're having a meal, it will go off, but otherwise it does stay for around 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Next up, I have a true blue brown shade, which is the K Beauty liquid matte lipstick in the shade Belong. Now this one is that one brown shade which has no mauve undertone, no peach undertone or nothing else going on. It's a true blue brown. It's a very unique shade, I feel, and the formula is also really nice. It's quite comfortable on the lips and it does not feel drying. Even though it's a matte liquid lipstick, it does not dry out your lips. The packaging is also nice, but the price point is a little steep. It stays on for a good 4 to 5 hours without any need of reapplication if you have not had any food or drinks. The lipstick dries down in seconds and won't make your lips feel chappy. It retails for 1200 rupees, which is on the higher side, but you can always get a discount on it during the sale. And the last lipstick that I have is a shade that a subscriber recommended to me. It's the Pilgrim Matte Me Up liquid lipstick in the shade Bossy Brown. This is a really pretty dark brown for the winter fall season, and it has a red undertone to it, a rosy red undertone, which is so flattering. The formula of this lipstick is really smooth. It glides onto your lips easily. This too won't dry out your lips. It's quite a comfortable formula and it stays on for about 3 to 4 hours without any need of reapplication if you have not had any food or drinks in between. And for the price this comes at, this is a really beautiful shade and formula. It's priced at only $4.95, but you can always get a discount on it. It takes a few seconds to dry down, but after it's set, it won't budge easily. You might have to reapply after a meal, but that's just about it. So these are my top 5 recommendation of lipsticks for the fall winter season. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave a comment below and let me know which shade was your favorite. If you like watching this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys the next time with another video. Until then, take care, keep smiling. Bye.